Why do we do what we do at ProsperTech? Well, we build the print, we provide solutions, and we teach the trade. You give us your print, and we'll make it happen. Our 5-axis machine with robotic machine tending, our 4th-axis machines, our CNC turning lathe, our EDM sinker, whatever it takes to meet your specifications. If you come into a problem or need some suggestions or help, we'll provide a solution for you. In fact, that's some of the most rewarding work that we do, is working with our customers to come up with what can we do to make you more successful with your customers. We're very passionate about teaching the younger generation about the trade. We have a 1-to-1 mentor ratio with our journeymen and apprentices, and it's just so neat to see all the knowledge that our journeymen have being passed down to the younger generation, and them learning from different people so that they can become well-rounded in what they do. We serve the automotive, medical, government, and aerospace space industries at ProsperTech. We know that everything that we do ultimately matters to other people, whether it's in the automotive industry and we're working on things for your car, or whether it's for the government. We know what we do is directly helping out the soldiers that are defending our freedoms. That's very meaningful work to us. As far as our medical work, we do a lot of work for prosthetics right now, and I grew up watching my grandpa lose his leg and use a wooden artificial leg. But knowing that the parts that we make go together with other parts to help people walk is just incredibly fulfilling and humbling to know that we're a small part of that. It's really neat also to be working in aerospace, whether it's a piece that ends up on a jet or a spaceship. Just knowing that we have a small part in that, in the advancements in technology for the human race, is super exciting.